In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Elementor menu. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting with Elementor, this guide will help you customize your website's menu like a breeze. Menus are crucial for navigation and user experience, so let's ensure yours not only functions perfectly but also looks great on your site. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side for the Appearance option in the sidebar. Hover over it, and then click on Menus. This will bring you to the Menus page, where you can start customizing your site's navigation. You'll see an option to create a new menu or select a menu to edit from the drop-down list. If you already have a menu you want to work with, select it and click Select. If you need to create a new one, hit Create a New Menu link. Give your new menu a concise name that is easy to recognize later on and then click Create Menu. With your menu selected, you can now start adding items to it. On the left side, you'll see several panels like Pages, Custom Links, Categories, and more, depending on your plugins. Check the boxes next to the items you want to add to your menu and then click Add to Menu. These will appear in the menu structure area on the right. Now, to arrange your menu items, simply drag and drop them into the order you prefer. If you want to create a submenu, drag an item slightly to the right under another menu item. This will nest it, making it a drop-down item within a parent menu. Remember to click Save Menu once you're satisfied with the structure. Next, it's time to link your Elementor menu to a menu location. Scroll to Menu Settings at the bottom and check the box for where this menu should appear. In most cases, you'll want this to be set as your primary menu. Great, your basic menu setup is all done. Now, let's head over to Elementor to customize the style. Go to the page or header where you've added your menu widget and hit Edit with Elementor. With your menu widget selected, the left panel will display several options for style and appearance. In the Style tab, you can tweak the typography, colors, padding, and more. Take your time to make sure your menu aligns with your website's overall theme and is easy to read. Finally, ensure everything is mobile-friendly by clicking on the responsive mode icon at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Adjust settings for tablet and mobile views to ensure consistent navigation across devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized your Elementor menu. Don't forget to save and preview your changes. This enhanced menu can help improve your site's navigation and user experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.